Hi guys, I'm going to be introducing to you guys a new mining project. It's a brand new mining project and we are actually starting early, so we are among the first miners in this platform. Remember, in my previous video I told you guys I'm going to be bringing up new mining projects so that we can be able to start early and get the best out of them. So guys, this is one of them. The name of this new mining project is called BYTE Blockchain. This is a blockchain coin. It is not a meme coin or meme coin. You have to take note of this because whenever a blockchain coin launches, they list at a very good price, a price that everyone will be happy about. And also guys, in this mining project, according to their white paper, you'll be able to do swapping. So whatever coin that you mine on this platform, you can be able to swipe it to USDT. You can swap it directly to USDT and then withdraw it into your wallet or exchange of choice. Guys, it's very easy. And also guys, I would advise that once you start mining on this platform, you should not be in a hurry to convert your mined coin to USDT, because from my research I found that these features, this swapping feature, is just one of the features of this mining platform. There are so many features on this mining platform they are going to gain from. So I would advise that you hold your mined coin because there are so many other features on this platform apart from swapping. So guys, that being said, this new mining project called the BYTE Blockchain is one project no one would want to miss, and we're going to be cashing out big time from this project. So I'm going to be taking you guys through the step-by-step process of how you can start mining on this BYTE Blockchain. I'm going to show you how you can create your own BYTE Blockchain account. So if you've not started mining BYTE Blockchain, here's an opportunity for you to get started. Just go over to the description of this video, or you can go over to the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the registration link right there. Tap on it, they'll be able to get started. You'll be able to start mining this BYTE Blockchain. So guys, once you're able to tap on the link, it will bring you right over here. You can see what the website looks like. You're going to be brought here right away. So let me show you guys how you can be able now to create your account. So like I said, once you tap on the link, you'll be brought to this platform. You can see what's written there at the top, the future of blockchain. Let me get to read what is written down there. It says install the app for easier access. So with the app, you'll be able to access this platform faster. Instead of using the browser to come over to this platform to mine, you can just install the app and mine faster. You can see, let me continue reading. It says tap on the three dots in the top right corner browser menu, and they said scroll down and select add to home screen. Then number 3 says open BYTE Blockchain from your home screen. Then number 4 says mine BYTE token. So guys, now let me show you guys the first step you need to take. What you have to do now is to tap at the 3 dots right there at the top. You can see that 3 vertical dots. So let me tap on it right away. Then what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see add to home screen. So let me tap on it. You can see right here we have two options, either to install the BYTE application or to create a shortcut. You can see it right there, install the first one. The second one is create shortcuts to open in Chrome. So if you want to mine using the app, then go for the first option. But if you don't want to use your app and you want to use the browser to mine, then you go for the second option, which is shortcut open in Chrome. But I want to use my app, so let me tap on install because it is better and easier to access. So let me tap on install. You can see what's written here. It says install app. So let me tap on install. You can see guys, installing. You can see down there installing. So what I will do now is to scroll down from the top of my phone to show you guys that the BYTE Blockchain app is downloading. So let me scroll down now. You can see the app right there is installing. You can see it written installing BYTE Blockchain. You can see it right there is installing. So let's wait. You can see it now adding the BYTE Blockchain. You can see it's loading up. Let's just wait. Wow guys, can see app installed, BYTE Blockchain installed. So what I'm going to do now is to scroll upwards. Now let me go back, let me scroll upwards. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see I already installed the app. So let me tap on it. You can see it right there. So guys, now we'll be able now to install the app. Now the next step now is to go ahead now to create our BYTE Blockchain account. You can do that by tapping on where you can see login with Google. We're tapping on login with Google because we want to create the BYTE Blockchain account with our Google account, with our email address. So let me go ahead now to tap on where it is written login with Google. Let me tap on it. You can see guys, it's loading up. Right here is the next step. You can see my multiple Google accounts right here. You can see what's written there. It says choose an account. So guys, this is where you have to choose the Google account that you want to use to create your BYTE Blockchain account. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to select one of them. So let me select one of my Google accounts, one of my Gmail address. So let me tap on it now to select it. So guys, now you can see I've selected it and it's loading. So let's wait a few seconds. Wow guys, can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there, sign in to BYTE Blockchain. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to tap on where you can see continue. You can see it down there on the right hand side. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. This is to actually give access to BYTE Blockchain. Wow guys, can see now I've been able now to create our BYTE blockchain account so we can start mining Bitcoin. So guys, let me go ahead now to show you guys how I can mine on this platform. You can see at the top there, that's my BYTE balance. You can see I have 0.00 Bitcoin. That's because I just created my account right now. And also you can follow their social media accounts. You can see their Telegram account right there. You can tap on it to follow their Telegram account and also their X account. You can see it right there on the right hand side. Down there you can see my mining rate is 1.002 bytes per hour. So every hour I'm going to be mining 1.002 bytes. And for you now to start mining, what you can simply do is to tap on where you can see mine. You can see it right there on the right hand side. So let me go ahead now to tap on it. Let me tap on it. Wow guys, can now see it has started mining. You can see it written there, mining. And also if you want to claim, what you can do is to tap on where you can see claim on the left hand side. You can tap on it to claim your mine token. Guys, let me go ahead now to show you around. In case you want to swap your mine coin, your Bitcoin to USDT, what you can simply do is to tap on that swap icon. You can see the swipe icon right there. You can see the swipe icon down there. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it right here, so you can be able to swap your Bitcoin to USDT. You can see right there you have to impute the amount of Bitcoin that you want to actually swap. Then once you impute it, you tap on where you can see swap. You can see it right there. So guys, let me go over to the friends section. You can see the friends icon right there. Let me tap on it. So this way you're going to be able to copy your referral link. You can see where it is written copy. Tap on it, they'll be able to copy your referral link. They can share it to your friends so that they can come over to this BYTE blockchain platform to start mining. So let me go over to the mining page. Let me tap on the mine icon. You can see it right there. We are back right here now. This is the mining page. So what I'm going to do now is to go over to the BYTE blockchain app so that I can show you how you can actually mine there. Actually they are the same thing, just few difference. They are almost the same. So what I'm going to do now is to go there, and before I go there, remember you must create your account in the website before you go over to the app to start mining. So let me go now. Let me minimize. Let me go over to the app. Then let me scroll upwards. Let me scroll upwards. You can see the app right there on BYTE blockchain. So let me tap on it right away. You can see the app is opening. Right here guys is the app. You can see this is the same interface with the website. You can see they are all the same thing. You can see the balance right there at the top. You can see the accounts, the Twitter account and the Telegram account. You can see the mining rate, the claim button and the mining button. So you can see down there, you can see the friends section. You can see the swap section as well. So they are all the same. It's the same thing. So guys, what you have to do now is to go ahead now to start mining. Go over to the description of this video or over to the comment section. You're going to see the registration link. Tap on it so that you can start mining. This is going to be a very big airdrop. We're going to be cashing out big time from this airdrop. And also guys, more videos on this airdrop is going to be coming out. So what you have to do is to make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification so that whenever I release videos on this particular airdrop, you're gonna get notified. So go ahead to start mining. Use the registration link so that you can start mining. Remember, we're actually starting early. Don't miss out the chance to start early so that you can get enough BYTE token that you can convert to USDT and other rewards we're going to be getting for this platform. See you in the next upload. Bye.